this is my first time with Times Now Foodie.
Tell me, why is Ganpati festival important to you?
There's no reason to why. I think it's just a connect that I can never explain. And it's just a relationship that's the most important to me in my life. And he's someone I talk to at all point of times. He listens to me. He's someone I can go to at any point of time. And I know there is this force that's always listening. There is this force that's always behind everything that's happening with me. And I can't fathom how it works, but it just works for me.
How did you get about on making these idols?
I actually started off, I have to thank Rakesh for this. Rakesh is my guru. Rakesh Bapat, he taught me how to do this. And the day when I decided that I wanted to do this has completely changed my life, is because from then onwards, the meaning of this entire festival has changed for me. I mean, when I create him with my own hands, he has an essence of me in him. The connect with him during these 5 days that he's at home is very, very different. It's not something I can ever explain.
So what's your favorite food during the Ganpati festival?
I love puri bhaji. My sister makes amazing puri bhaji. That's something that I really, really love.
Which is your favorite modak?
Mawa modak.
Do you want to talk about the bhog thali that you have?
घर के भोग में usually गणपति पे खीर और पूड़ी बनती है. Most case scenario, it's always खीर and पूड़ी. पकोड़े बनते हैं. मम्मी पकोड़े बनाती है. शीरा चना बनता है. वो भी बहुत. It is very yummy. खिलाऊंगा तुम्हें दोस्त. फिर बात करना तुम.
गणपति के 5 नाम बताओ.
विनायक, एक दंत, रिद्धि सिद्धि दाता, बालचंद्र, विनायका, सिद्धि विनायका, एक दंताय, वक्रतुंडाय, गौरी गणेश. 1001 नाम है गणपति जी के. मैं तो अभी 4 भी नहीं बोल पाया भाई. क्या बात कर रहे हो?
And any favorite laddus?
मोतीचूर. One of the very interesting anecdotes that my mom does during Ganesh Aarti is हमने उसे ना 1, 2, 3, 4 गणपति की जय जयकार. You've heard of all of that, right? My mama has 100 variations of that. For example, she'll go, कौन बनेगा करोड़पति जो बोलेगा गणपति. 1 कटोरी 2 गिलास गणपति बप्पा फर्स्ट क्लास. कटोरी में सीरो गणपति बप्पा हीरो. उसके बाद और भी है. रुको याद करने दो कि कटोरी में खाजा गणपति बप्पा राजा. I want you guys to have a very, very happy and an eco-friendly Ganesh Chaturthi. Have a wonderful, wonderful Ganesh Chaturthi. May Bappa bring all the blessings in your lives. May he listen to everything like he listens to me. And please, please, I request, even if you can't make the murti at home, it's absolutely fine. But please go out there and only buy eco-friendly Ganeshas, because that's the way to be. We only have one Mother Earth, and we need to take care of her. And this is like 0.1% of the small bit that you and me can do together. So let's join our hands together and have a eco-friendly Ganesh Chaturthi, guys.